Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning. We're in Kitchener today doing a tile and grout maintenance job for one of our clients. They got the grout color sealing done a few years ago, and we're just coming back to do a maintenance cleaning. Let's show you how it looked. Most of the time, when we do the grout restoration, it can last 10 to 20 years. So when we come back 2 years later, sometimes all we need to do is a few touch-ups and a quick buff, and it'll stay looking perfect all the time. So if you would love your floors looking this good, give us a call at Carmichael Cleaning, 519-208-8533, or just visit us on our website at carmichaelcleaning.ca.